Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we discuss about propositional logic. Propositional logic is nothing more than practice of asserting that particular statements are true or false and combining them in different ways to create new statements which are themselves true or false. For that, first we upload this logic file into our code and the command you can see here. The first thing that I want to do is to create some propositional variables, say p, q and r. This vars method is used to create proposition and which take list of strings with the name, so that is propositional variables. So I have string p, q and r. I want to see what is p. For that I want to write here p. P is proposition. Same with q and r. And q and r also proposition variables. Since we have these propositional variables, we work on some formulas. Formula 1. Now to display formula 1, we use this method formula 1. Okay, as the formula 1 is preposition, so now we use truth table method for formula 1. As this, to check is in every row this formula be true, we use tautology method. In our truth table, when all the logics turns out to be true, that is terms as tautology. Now we can use this method to check formula 1. Formula 1 dot is tautology. It's represent true because all the output columns are true. So the formula 1 is tautology. We have couple of more formulas, formula 2, formula 3. Now we display formula 2 and formula 3. As formula 2 are prepositional, now formula 3. Formula 3 is also prepositional. So now we use truth table method for formula 2 and formula 3. For that we use this function formula 2 dot print truth table formula 3 dot print truth table. Now we check tautology and contingency of these two formulas. To check tautology of formula 2, we simply write formula 2 dot is underscore tautology. It represents false because it fits the condition of tautology. There is one false in this logic outcomes. Now we check the tautology of formula 3. It also false because there is one false in this logic outcome. Contingency method is used for the checking the formula. Contingency means neither true in all cases nor false in all cases. Now we apply contingency method for about two formulas. Write formula 2 contingency. As we see earlier, formula 2 truth table is combination of both true and false. Similarly, for formula 3, it's also true because of the same reason. Now the question is, show that P and not of P is a contradiction. For that we use this method. P and not of P is contradiction. That is true. There are also propositions that are always false, such as P and not of P. Such a proposition is called a contradiction. To check whether these two formulas are equivalent to each other, we use equals to operator. Formula 2 equals to formula 3. That is true. As it is proposition variables, let's draw some more truth table for the expression. say for not of P. Here it is about contradiction. Say P implied by Q, and also for P implies Q, and last for the P or Q. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Thank you.